Welcome to another drawing class with Jim Freehart. Here's a demonstration of a sunrise I'm painting over the bay. I put the sun about 5/8 of the way across the canvas and also 5/8 up. Makes a beautiful balanced spot for it. When I put the sunshine in, it's much brighter and contrasting to the sky around it, which is kind of like a mauve color. And I basically, while I have that color on my brush, I did it in the reflections down below also. Keep it simpler. I started up in the corner, I put a kind of greenish color, and then I softly blend one color into the other, and to make it look like a glowing sky. I decided to put in some clouds, a few little clouds there just for a little contrast. It's a wet in wet painting, so I'm playing around with clouds and light on the clouds in a kind of soft way. It's not sharp like a dry acrylic. This is a golden open acrylics. So here I have the land. I left space for the distant land. On the far left, I've got the more faded blued land, and as the land comes closer, moving over to where the sun is, I've put the deeper colors contrasting. I put a little bit of the reflection in the bay as well. And there's my friend Faith, who's a wonderful art student that I'm doing the demonstration for. So here we go. I've left space down below for land. I'm also playing around with just a few of the boats out on the harbor. And little by little I work into the foreground. By the way, please share this video if you enjoy it. And here we go with the foreground, much darker, more colorful, and contrasting. Basically, I get into deeper values as well as a little bit stronger colors in the foreground that make the other land look further away. So here we go. I'm about to put in a few more little details in the foreground. This little tree that's been there since I was 19 years old, painting the same view. And we're nearly finished there. Again, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you share the video and have a wonderful day. All the best to you. Bye. Here we go. Here's the finished painting. I hope you've enjoyed this study today, and I tried to narrate it to help share a little bit more of what I've been doing all the way along the way. Please do share the video with other people, with your friends. Like the video if you liked it, and look at some of my other ones. Most importantly, remember to make it a little bit better world in any way you can. Keep on creating your beauty. Have a great day. Bye.